Welcome! In front of me I have Apple Watch Ultra 2 and I'm gonna show you how to connect Bluetooth headphones to this watch. If you want to connect Bluetooth headphones to this watch, of course you will need Bluetooth headphones. I have a pair of Sony Bluetooth headphones right here and I'm gonna use them for this video. Once you have the Bluetooth headphones, let's continue. Now, let's wake up the screen on our watch by pressing any of the buttons. After you wake up the screen, press the crown button to open the menu. Then tap on the settings icon. In settings, scroll down and find the Bluetooth option. Once you find it, tap on it. And here, scroll down, make sure that the Bluetooth is enabled. Once it is, go to your headphones and enter the pairing mode on them. I'm gonna press and hold the power button on mine to enter the pairing mode. And once you enter the pairing mode, the watch should detect the headphones, as you can see. And once it does detect the watch, tap on the name of the watch, or rather headphones, my bad. Once it does detect the headphones, tap on the name of the headphones to connect to them. And after a second or two, you will see the connected under the name of the headphones, as you can see. You can tap on the info icon right here, and here you can check the device type. You can select headphones, hearing aid, and stuff like that. And you can also disconnect the headphones. You can also forget the device if you want to unpair them from your watch. And if you want to connect them back because you disconnected them, simply tap on the name of the headphones. And once you're done, press the ground button to go back to watch face. And that's how you connect or pair the Bluetooth headphones to this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.